Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin, your guide to everything crypto and DeFi. And I'm so grateful that you took a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me and educate yourself about DeFi protocols, cryptocurrency investing, and everything else in this amazing and new technological space. Now, today we're going to be discussing the use of a yield optimizer on the Sway network. We have had previous videos in the past on Beefy Finance, which is the same kind of thing, although they don't have this network on their platform. And we have also looked at some others, such as Crystal Finance, Huck site on Solana, and others. But why would we want to yield farm on the Sway network anyway? The Sway blockchain is one of the new layer ones this cycle. Its story is to be the next Solana killer. Now, they have very fast transaction speeds. There's a lot of building going on in their network. We have played around on many of the different DeFi protocols, such as Bluefin, Cetus, Sulin, Navi for lending also. And today we're going to be discussing one called AlphaFi. But before we get into our video, please like and subscribe, ping that notification bell, and share this video with anyone out who wants to amplify their knowledge about crypto and DeFi. Please remember, before we begin, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a dad who loves to invest and play around in the Web3 and DeFi space. Please do your own research. Cryptocurrency investing is extremely risky. You can lose all your money, so never ever invest more than you can afford to lose. And one of the best defenses you can have in this space is good education. So check us out at dadsdefispace.org. Consider joining our private group. Or if you really want to up your DeFi game, check out Crypto Labs Research, their underdog investment group. Use our link below. It is an affiliate link, and tell them Dad's DeFi Space or Kevin sent you, and we both get $50 USDT, and you'll get 20% off your first month. But let's get into the Sway blockchain, one that I super enjoyed trading this year, and talk a little bit about its performance. At the earlier part of the cycle, the Sway blockchain was sitting at around 40 cents, right in this range, 40 to 50 cents, and eventually formed a base right around a dollar 60, $1.50. Now, this is around the time we began investing in Sway, but we didn't get a lot of time to accumulate because we skyrocketed up starting around November 5th of this last year. Now, as you can see, we exploded all the way up to about $5 and almost 40 cents. And since then, we have been in a retracement for almost 2 months. And right now, we on the daily are trying to get back above the 50-week moving average right here, but we haven't achieved that yet. Now, once I believe we can get back above the 50-week moving average, Sway will have a bullish explosion to the upside. Again, not financial advice. These are just the ways I see the markets. But once we regain that level, which as this tracks forward, the 50-week could still move down a little bit, maybe around this area. So you're looking at right around 380 to $4 range. Um, it might be time, not financial advice, that Dad is going to take out a long on Sway. But right now, I'm not really playing with this one. But I am yield farming a little bit on AlphaFi. AlphaFi is one of the premier yield optimizers on the Sway network. As you can see, there's certain ones in this list that you can get excellent yield on. This stake Sway USDC pool is earning 924% APY. That is a little bit different than APR. Their total value locked on the platform right now is sitting at about $108 million. So, yes, this is a smaller platform. The smaller you go, the riskier it is. It's just something to consider. And when you use AlphaFi, if you lock up your AlphaFi rewards and stake them, you qualify for future airdrops. So we're going to launch the app. I'm going to connect my Sway wallet, and you can see my position in my portfolio right here after I click holdings. So the majority of my APY is actually coming from trading fees. I have this USDC sway pool that's earning right around 600% right now. It's fluctuated anywhere from the upper 300s all the way up to around 1100% APY. So this one has been earning excellent yield. And then every so often, as my position is up, I trim a little bit of profit off and then deposit that sway back into my lending position. That way, I can always add more collateral to my loan. Now, we went a little risky on our first pools. We were in the Sway Deep pool and later on a Sway Sulim pool. Those were absolutely decimated during the last drop in the market, and we are positioning ourselves into more stable cash flowing positions like this Sway USDC. At least we have so over the last few weeks. Now, let's take our position, add a little bit to it. So, to do this, I'm going to go down into my Sway USDC position. If you'd like to read about the strategy, it's right here to the right. They're basically depositing your tokens into the Bluefin concentrated liquidity pool. They pick an optimized price range to maximize the fees, and the rewards and fees are collected multiple times daily. They're auto compounded into your deposits, and for using their service, you also get some alpha rewards. So that performance, they're taking around 20% of the fee, but I've still earned excellent yield on this. Now, if you don't want to use their service, you can just provide liquidity on Bluefin and you don't owe the fees to AlphaFi. But as a busy dad, I love that many of these processes are done for me. Not that I don't know how to do them. So I would also suggest to everyone out there that you learn how to farm on the actual protocols before you use a yield optimizer. But this has enabled me to manage my positions much quicker, easier, and then focus on more important things in my life. So to summarize, you can use the protocol AlphaFi on the Sway network to optimize yield and manage your liquidity position in a very seamless and quick manner. If you like videos such as this, let me know in the comments if you want more DeFi tutorials, altcoin reviews, or market analysis. And please use our links below. We do have a special with the trading platform WEEX. It's been an excellent exchange that I have been using myself. The fees are low as possible. The trading has been seamless. And if you use our link below, it helps to support the channel. So, again, please like and subscribe to our channel, Dad's DeFi Space. Check out our webpage. If you're interested in DeFi, check out the UIG investment group. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, happy investing in the crypto markets. Peace.